And other issues that the probation officer is claiming that she's having is that he tends to become very upset and displays emotional instability when she tries to talk to him about his conditions, very disrespectful, and so forth.
Why are you being disrespectful?
Ma'am, I hung up on her one time because
That's disrespectful.
Yeah, because they came and like my mom was outside and cops jumped out with guns in their hands and they're like, well, where's Antonio? Where's Antonio? Because they think a red truck is mine because I was sitting in the red truck. The first time they came, I was sitting in the red truck cleaning it. It's my dad's work truck. When they came, they caught me in the red truck. They think it's mine. It's not my truck. They can run the bin. My truck is a
No,
Ford
here's the
Flex
thing. Let me just tell you what you're doing. You are answering questions that I have not asked. So I want you to listen to the question that I'm asking you. Are you a gang member?
No, ma'am.
So why do they have you documented?
They have me down affiliated as a gang member because they say this is the Alamo and it's the White House. Ma'am, look, it's the White House. It's not the Alamo. It's the White House. I don't have no gang affiliate. I can show you all my tattoos. I don't have no gang
Why are you
affiliate
tattooing
tattoos.
the White House?
Because my last name is Casablanca, ma'am, and if you translate it in English, it's White House.
Any other Casablancas here who are tattooing White House on there? I still don't understand.
That's the only reason, ma'am. I can show you all my tattoos.
I know.
I've never
what
been
Casa
to.
means,
I've never
and I
been
know
to
what
prison.
Florida means.
I've never been to prison. How would I be in a gang if I've never been to prison? Like,
Oh, there are plenty of people who are in gangs who've never been to prison.
like that's a gang. That's a prison gang. Like,
No, they have people in prison who are documented gang members with that gang, but then they have people who are not in prison who are documented
well,
gang members.
I'm not a gang member. I like I said, it's the White House. Y'all can check it. It's not the Alamo. They keep thinking it's the Alamo. That's why it got put down as that, but it's not an Alamo, man.
Whoever tattooed that White House, that is not a good.
It
It's
was a
missing
long
some.
time ago. Like it's actually just covering my ex-wife's name. That's why I put it there, really. But
Well,
it's
that's
not.
another thing I always tell people. The
It's
only
not
people's
a
names
gang
you should
affiliation
tattoo on your
tattoo.
body are maybe your children and your mom, because your mom will always love you and your children, you're always supposed to love them. You're going to do a UA today. You're going to stop being disrespectful to probation officers. You're not going to be hanging up on probation officers. Otherwise, I'm going to hang up on you with a motion to revoke. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I want him to do his UA today, and then we're going to see what the results are going to be. And then based upon those results, we'll see where we're going with this. But yes, he is going to be on gang supervision.
We'll wait till my legal people are here.
This is what I'm ordering. You don't have a motion to revoke. So there's going to be gang supervision, the UA hotline, testing for levels. And are you all doing field visits on him or no?
I've been going to my house, but when they go, I'm not home because I go to college.
And what are you studying in college?
I'm going for business management, Your Honor.
Which college?